He came among the common, and the common people are the one that heard him gladly than the high bucks and those on the high horse. They heard him gladly.
Amen.
This is Jesus Christ.
Amen.
Now what happened, Chapar? Now Pilate was reading. I love this. When Pilate was standing there, before anything could take place on the surface, there was a woman that nomfazi owaphupha azangalale ubusuku bonke. Ithi iBhayibheli umfazi kaPilate. uPilate nakalele nomfazi uthola ama-nightmare, uthola ama-vision, ama-dreams. Uvusa uPilate ebusuku edabuka kubusa uthi lalela la, lo muntu obhizi ngaye miyekede. Angazinengisa uthi angilalanga ubusuku bonke ngiphupha lo muntu lo. Uthi lalela ukenzile konke, but this one, there's something about this fellow. You better divorce yourself from your mentality. What you going to do with this person? He is different.
Amen.
That's why Pilate came to the crowd. What I am innocent of this man's blood. Nakagesi izandla zakhe is true to the fact because of the wife that warned him. This person is different. You better leave that person if you do not want to get in trouble. Guess what? Are you aware when Pilate say, you see to it what you do with it? The historian says, I don't know how truthful it is, but the historians records and says, Samson, not to Samson, Pilato. After he has done that to Jesus Christ, yes, it's in the Bible, history ithi wahamba uPilato wayongena phakathi kwamanzi abilayo wenature after the death of Christ. Lithi bathi la wangena khona nanamhlanje la manzi asabile. Historian says that. Shukuthi Jesu nabathatha ukumthatha uPilate wathi yabheka nakangena lapha la kubila khona amanzi, something took place. The history says la wangena khona it is boiling, and it boiled, which mean after the crucifixion of Jesus Christ, Pilate was no longer sane in his brain. The man somehow something went off. Ngoba lento yamuda ukuthi my wife warned me. Let me tell you, do you know what is the thing that's tormenting in hell? What will torment the people in hell? Before I say that, remember, God will be highly unfair. Listen to me. God will be highly unfair in his divine judgment to judge people about things that they never knew about. Did you hear what I said?
Amen.
If he's a God of justice, if God is a God of justice, as he says, of which I believe, if God judge you over something, God will be considered unjust. That's why yonke into uNkulunkulu nakayojudge umuntu uyabonakala, nakaqeda ukubona bese justification yakhe is qualified.
Amen.
Amen. That's why when you go to court, those that study law, now you're called, but judge according EPE law book yabo, but according section so and so, and that section and that section, the crime that you have committed, the penalty therefore is written down in the section, and that section, whatever punishment that is true to the cause or that is true to what you have done is written on black and white. We don't suck it from our thumb. We're going to judge you based on the book.
Amen.
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 Are you with me?
Amen.